I'm going to take apart this Timex watch. Now I've just removed the back cover and I'm going to remove the battery as well. I've checked it and found that it's 0.15 when it should be 3 volts. I'm now going to remove the chrome section. I did try to take the crown off, which is at the side, so that I could remove the whole lot, but I don't have the correct tools really to remove that, so I'll be doing that later. Now this section is held together by plastic that's been melted over. So the next part I want to take out is the PCB that has all the electronics on it. There are a number of integrated circuits on that one. Now I'm removing the cover here. I've actually obviously removed the whole of the mechanism and electronics from the case itself. Now I'm removing the hands. And here, as you can see, there are many cogs. This is the gear train, they call it. Now, to be honest, I don't know what that is. There are many parts here. Now, I'm not going to put this back together. I'll tell you a little bit more about this particular watch later. If you look carefully at that copper-coloured section, that is actually the step motor. And down below we've got the gear train. Now I've moved that and put it to one side. There are many other little pieces. On my next video I will be showing you exactly what they are. Now that particular section is a part where you control the hands. Now I'm taking the wrist strap off. There are 2 lugs on either side, and you've got to get the screwdriver in to pull it apart. It's not that easy. So let me give you some details of the items here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of bits, although nowhere near as much as a mechanical one. This is the 3-volt battery. This particular watch has what is called an indiglow, which basically means that the watch face glows when activated. We now have the main PCB, which has all the electronics on it. So if you look carefully at the next picture, you'll find that this is the crystal, and this controls the time itself. And finally, the 2 main ones here on this PCB are the black blobs. They are the integrated circuits that control the whole of the mechanism. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY, then please go on to my channel.